In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify, crafted for a seamless integration process. Let's dive right in so you can start optimizing your email marketing and SMS strategies in no time. First, begin your journey in Shopify by heading over to the main dashboard. To get started with the integration, you'll need to access your store's settings. That's your central hub where all crucial integrations and configurations happen, so make sure you're logged into your store. Once you're inside the Shopify admin panel, look out for the apps and sales channels. This is where you'll be managing all third-party extensions and apps that enhance the capabilities of your Shopify store. Click on this section so we can proceed to find the app we need. From there, move forward by clicking on Shopify App Store. This action will redirect you to a huge marketplace filled with numerous apps specifically designed to enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. Don't be overwhelmed by the options. Our focus today is Klaviyo, so let's head there next. Next, locate Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS in the Shopify App Store. It's worth mentioning that Klaviyo is highly recommended for any e-commerce brand looking to take its communication strategy to the next level. Click on the app to take a closer look at what it offers and why it might be the perfect fit for your marketing needs. After reviewing the details about Klaviyo, proceed to click on Install. Installing the app is straightforward and gives your Shopify store a boost with advanced email and SMS marketing capabilities. Just get that installation process going and pretty soon your store will be linked with Klaviyo. Once you initiate the installation process, you'll be prompted to confirm it by clicking Install once more. This double confirmation ensures that you're aware of the permissions Klaviyo needs to function properly within your Shopify store. Make sure to approve this so Klaviyo can sync seamlessly with your existing setup. Now, if you're setting up Klaviyo for the first time, you will be required to fill out some basic information. This information typically includes details about your store and contact information, so make sure everything you input here is accurate to ensure smooth onboarding. With your information entered, all that's left is to click on Get Started. This will finalize your setup and redirect you to Klaviyo, where you can begin exploring the suite of tools available to enhance your marketing efforts. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now equipped with Klaviyo's powerful marketing functionalities. Take some time to explore the app, customize your campaigns, and engage with your customers on a deeper level. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.